Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the topic valency. Valency is nothing, it's just the combining capacity of an element. That how an element combine with other ones. For example, beta watch the video full and you will see that it's not a difficult topic, it's very easy one. And I'm very sure that after watching this video you will be very confident about the valency. You can easily find the valency. For example, we have hydrogen. Hydrogen have one valency. It has one electron in its valence shell. It has one valency. So it can combine only with one element. For example, it can make only HCl, hydrochloric acid. So it just combined with only one chlorine. It can combine with one element only. That is called valency, right? Okay, next is how to find valency. How you will find? Before that, beta, okay, learn only one thing, that valency of group 1, 2, 13 and 14. Valency of group 1 is 1. Valency of group 2 is 2. Valency of group 3 is 3 and valency of group 13 is 3. Valency of group 14 is 4, right? The whole elements which comes under group 1, 2, 13, 14 all are having valency 1, 2, 3, 4. And here valency of group 15, after 14 group 15, right? Valency of group 15 is 3, 16 is 2, 17 is 1 and 18 is 0. You can learn this thing beta, it's very easy. Groups मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. See here, group 1 hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, etc. and group 2 is this, group 13, group 14. All are having valency 1, 2, 3, 4. And for group 15, 16, 17 and 18, group 15 have valency 3, 2, 1 and 0. Why 0? Because this group is called group of noble gases. जो अच्छी वाली gases होती हैं, noble gases. And why we call them noble? Because their activity is very least. They don't like to react with anyone. Why they don't like? Because they are the stable ones. About these gases we will discuss about later on, not today beta. Today's topic is valency, so we will deal with that topic only. Okay, now how to find it? For example, we have PH3 and in this topic we have to find the valency of P, phosphorus. How we will find beta? Okay, consider the which one we have to find. Write it X and next one is plus. We have 3 hydrogen, write 3 here, multiply the valency of hydrogen. Hydrogen falls in group 1 now, so its valency is 1. Write valency 1 here, put it equals to 0. X is equal to 3 ones are 3, okay, 3 is equal to 0. Now take it into another side, x is equal to minus 3. So answer is minus 3, but this is not the valency. Minus 3 is not the valency, only valency is 3, because in valency we consider only numeric value, not charge. When we talk about charge also that is called oxidation number. That is not the valency. Valency is the number only. Okay. Next is H2O. Here we have to find the valency of oxygen. So write it down. We have 2 hydrogen, write 2, multiply with the valency of hydrogen. Valency of hydrogen is 1 plus the number which is unknown, we will write it X, put is equals to 0. 2 ones are 2 plus X is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. So valency of oxygen is equals to 2, right? And the similar way we can find other valencies also. I will take random examples. Here we have to find the valency of iron. So what we will write? Write iron, as it is unknown, write it X plus oxygen. What is the valency of oxygen? Valency of oxygen is 2 is equals to 0. X is equal to minus 2. So valency of iron is only 2. Don't consider charge. So valency of iron is 2. Next is Fe2O thrice. Here we have to find the valency of iron again. Here you will learn a new thing, beta. Okay, iron is 2, so write 2 here into, we have to find the valency of iron now, so write it 2 plus 3 oxygen, so write 3 here, and the valency of oxygen we know it's 2. When you will practice it, beta, you will automatically learn that what are the valencies of the common elements. 2x, 2 3s are 6, 2x is equal to minus 6, take it into another side, and x is equal to minus 6 over 2, it becomes minus 3. So valency of iron is 3. Now you can see that in this case valency of iron is 2, but in this case valency of iron is 3. Don't get confused, beta. We have some element, those are having variable valencies, जिनकी valencies change हो सकती हैं. Their valencies are not constant, right? So iron is one out of them.